Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to NayaPay. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need to use a verified account on Wise. Otherwise it's not possible. Then after knowing that, we go right here to send and then we search right here for Pakistan. There we go. We select Pakistan and then we fill in right here how much money we want to send. So we do right here 100 euros. Then we click right here on add recipient and then what we're going to do is select bank details. Then we do someone else and then right now what we're going to do is we fill in right here their email, full name of the account holder and then right here his IBAN or hers IBAN. Then we do continue and then he will send you right here to this review page. Then we check right there all the details carefully and then after that we click on continue and then he will send us to the payment page. There we complete the payment and then after that the payment is done and then we transferred money from Wise to NayaPay. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.